Welcome to Sharon Lindsay Yoga and Wellbeing. This is a 15-minute yoga practice to reset your body, mind and nervous system. Please listen to your body and modify the practice if you need to. We'll begin lying on our back with the soles of the feet together, the knees falling open into butterfly pose. If you like, you can place one hand on your tummy and one on your chest, and just tune in to the movement of your breath. As you breathe in, feel the tummy rise. As you breathe out, feel the tummy soften and empty. You have the option here to support your legs with cushions. When you're ready, bring your hands to the outside of your thighs to help you guide your knees together. Hug your right knee to your chest and extend the left leg long. Really lengthen that left leg and hug the right knee towards you. If you like, you can lift your nose up towards your bent knee and notice the sensation in your left hip as you do so. Then slowly lower back down to the earth. Bring the left knee into the chest and extend the right leg long, pointing the toe on the right foot and lengthening that leg as you hug the left knee close to the body. If you like, you can lift your head towards your knee. Tune into that right hip and low back area. Then slowly lie back down and hug your knees to your chest, rocking gently from side to side, placing the feet on the mat, the backs of the hands on the earth, and as you breathe in, like a snow angel, sweep your arms up and overhead. Your thumbs touch. As you exhale, sweep the arms back down by your side. Continue in your own time, keeping the backs of the hands on the earth. Breathing in to sweep the arms up until the thumbs touch if you can. Breathing out to sweep the arms back down by your sides, noticing the movement in your shoulder blades. At the end of the next exhale, bring the arms to rest by your side. Then with bent knees, roll onto one side and make your way all the way over onto your tummy. With your arms out at shoulder height, then bring the right hand in beneath your shoulder, your left arm still extending out at shoulder height, and press the earth away as you roll onto your side, perhaps bringing your right leg behind the left. Feel that stretch in the front of the left shoulder. Then roll back onto your tummy. Extend the right arm, bring the left hand in beneath your shoulder. Press the earth away as you come onto your side. Perhaps your left foot rests on the mat behind you for support as you open up in the front of that right shoulder. Then make your way back onto your tummy. Bring the hands beneath the shoulders, press the earth away, and come up onto your hands and knees, tabletop position. And then we'll come into a cat-cow. As you inhale, the tailbone lifts, the belly lowers, the chest lifts as you gaze forward. Exhale, tuck the tailbone round through the spine, tuck the chin to the chest. Continue in your own time. A fluid spinal wave. Exhaling to round the back. Inhaling to flex the back and lift the chest. Then come to stillness. And then step your right foot forward between your hands, lifting the chest. Feel that stretch in the front of the back hip. Then move the hips back as you straighten your front leg, lift your toe and fold forward over that straight leg for a gentle hamstring stretch. Exhale, bend the knee, bring the hips forward, lift the chest for a gentle stretch on that back hip flexor. Stay focused on the breath, keeping the stretch soft and gentle. Then move the hips back, straighten the front knee as you lift the toe and fold gently over the front leg, and use the breath to lengthen the back of the legs softly. Rock forward, bending that knee, lifting the chest. Feel that back hip flexor. And then bring the front knee back into tabletop position again. Step the left foot forward. Find the perfect angle on that back hip for a soft stretch in the hip flexor. The chest is lifted, the spine is long. The breath is soft and gentle. Then send the hips back as you straighten the front leg and lift the toes, folding gently forward, breathing into the back of that leg. Rock the hips forward to bend the knee, lift the chest, and settle into a soft hip flexor stretch on the right side. Use the breath to bring softness and release. Then send the hips back as you straighten the front leg, lift the toe, fold forward, And use the breath to bring softness to the back of that leg. Bend the knee as you melt the hips forward. Your awareness on your breath and your right hip flexor. Then slowly make your way to a comfortable seated position, bringing the soles of your feet together, widening the knees, lifting the chest, straightening the spine. Butterfly pose. Gently pressing your knees towards the earth. And if you like, you can fold forward, bringing a stretch into the inner thighs. Slowly come back up when you're ready. Then allow your left shin to be parallel to the front of your mat, your right ankle to rest on your knee, trying to stack both shins one on top of the other, and then gently fold forward. Then slowly come back up when you're ready. Now place the right shin on the mat, stack the left shin on top, and if it feels okay, melt forward over the legs, feeling in to your glutes, all around the hip area, focusing on your breath. Press the earth away to slowly come back up to sitting. Then place both feet slightly wider than hip width apart on the mat. Lean back on your hands and rock your knees gently from side to side. Come back to stillness and then come to a comfortable seated position, clasping your hands behind your back, drawing your shoulder blades together to open the chest, and with long straight arms try to lift the hands away from the body. This time clasp the hands, release the hands, clasp them with the opposite thumb on top, and then gently lift the arms away, keeping the arms straight and long, feeling the chest open. And then relax, release the hands. Place the right hand on the left shoulder, left hand on the right shoulder, and tuck your chin to your chest. Then lift the head back up, swap the hands over, and tuck the chin to the chest again. head back up and release the arms, making your way down onto your back. Hug your knees to your chest and rock gently from side to side. Place the feet on the mat. The feet are mat width apart and allow the knees to fall over to the left. Feel that top hip rotate inwards. Use your muscles to gently press that right inner thigh towards the earth, feeling into that right hip. Slowly bring the knees back to center and allow them to roll over to the right side. This time the left hip is rotating inwards as you gently try to press your left inner thigh and knee to the floor. No force, just gently inviting that hip to rotate inwards a little bit more. Then bring your knees back to center. Step your feet towards each other and then extend one leg long and then the other. Settling into our final resting pose of Shavasana with the shoulders away from the ears. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, surrender the body completely to the earth. When you're ready, deepen your breath. Move your fingers and toes. And if you like, stretch the body long. If you like, hug your knees to your chest. Then either rock back and forth, rocking yourself up and down to massage the spine, or if you prefer, roll onto one side. And then come gently to sitting in a comfortable seated position. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the practice. Have a wonderful day.